Keeping your home on wheels rolling. The essentials of caravan maintenance. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for all the adventurers out there: caravan maintenance. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or embarking on a cross-country journey, understanding how to keep your caravan in tip-top shape is crucial. So, let's get started and ensure your home on wheels is always ready for the road. Caravan maintenance refers to the regular checks and repairs that are necessary to keep a caravan safe, functional, and comfortable for its occupants. Just like any vehicle or home, a caravan requires attention to both its mobility aspects, like tires and brakes, and its living components, such as plumbing and electrical systems. Ensuring your caravan is well maintained can prevent breakdowns, extend its lifespan, and make your travels more enjoyable. Exterior checks and repairs. Tires. Regularly check for wear and tear, and maintain proper inflation. Lights and brakes. Ensure all lights work and brakes are responsive for safe travel. Body and chassis. Inspect for any damage or rust, and apply protective coatings as needed. Interior maintenance. Appliances. Test all kitchen and heating appliances for functionality. Plumbing. Check for leaks and ensure the water system is clean. Electrical systems. Ensure all wiring is intact and the battery is charged. Safety equipment. Fire extinguisher. Keep it accessible and check its expiry date. Gas safety. Regularly inspect gas lines and connections for leaks. Emergency kit. Maintain a kit with essential tools, first aid supplies, and spare parts. Regular maintenance not only keeps you safe on the road but also preserves the value of your caravan. Ignoring small issues can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the line. Setting a regular maintenance schedule can help you catch potential issues early and avoid disruptions to your travel plans. We hope this video has shed some light on the essentials of caravan maintenance. Remember, taking care of your caravan is like taking care of your home. Regular checks and timely repairs ensure that your adventures are safe, enjoyable, and free from unexpected hiccups. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.